Hey everybody, it's Vince with Ryft. We're out here on this beautiful Central California day at our proving grounds with this brand new Lamborghini Revuelto. We've installed on this car our hybrid 3D printed titanium non-valve catback exhaust and stainless steel Kevlar-Shielded race pipes. We love coming out to this facility because it gives us the opportunity to test the vehicle. We started this morning with low-speed automatic in hybrid mode, doing paces first, second, third gear, and then this afternoon we're going to really be taking the car up to speed in performance hybrid mode, manual, up to 180 miles an hour. For those of you with the Revuelto, the system is now available for pre-order. It is made here in the United States, typically custom built to order in 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you so much.